So this is part of our YouTube page. These are turkey dog, chili dogs. As most of y'all know, I have Alpha-Gal, and I can have one of my favorite snacks, which is chili dogs. So my wife managed to find turkey chili that's not the white chili, that's red chili with the turkey meat in it and a turkey hot dog. So we're going to see how this goes. So I can pick them up. Cross your fingers. See, I'm a tooth tuck out, bit on the wrong side. Oh yeah, I can deal with that. It almost tastes like a real hot dog, like a regular hot dog you get. It actually tastes like one of the better beef hot dogs you'll get. Not bad at all. I recommend it, and I can have my favorite snack too, so it's worth it. Alright, talk to y'all later.